Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Let's talk about Drive Shack. This is going to be the updated version, guys. If you stuck with us through the last video, thank you. Let me go ahead and give you guys a shout out. We did really good on that video. 121 likes on the video. We got a lot of views. Thank you guys so much. If you're just coming back, welcome, man. We're going to go over this as thoroughly as we possibly can. You guys' engagement helps us with the channel, the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for your support, our loyal subscribers. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 1st, 2021. We just got a new year here, and the previous close of Drive Shack is going to be $2.38. It's down about 7% for the day. Okay. All right, so it looks like these are the weekly candles. And the previous video that we came out with, we were saying that we're waiting on one level, and it actually came down to that level, and it has exceeded that level just a bit there. So $2.41. In fact, let's take a really quick listen on that video so that those who are just joining us can listen in and see if this level is what we were anticipating. And that information in that video goes as followed. Okay, but what I will say, if the price is trying to back test the previous level of resistance, okay, that's all we look for, guys, support and resistance, then it's likely, not guaranteed, that the price is going to attempt to come and revisit the level here at about $2.41. Okay. Again, my job as a technical analyst is so there you have it, folks. On that video, we specified that we were waiting for the price. Well, we weren't waiting for the price. We said that if the price is trying to backtest the previous level of resistance, it's likely it will revisit the $2.41 level. And as you can see here on the video, that price was about $2.80 at the time we posted that video. So from there till the present, or the range that the price is currently at, it's went down approximately, let's see, about 15% to the downside. So this is why it's important, guys, to be patient. And just develop some sort of strategy, market entry, exit strategy, scale in method. Okay. What I'm trying to do is not for everyone. What I'm trying to do is time the bottom. And I'm probably going to get a thumbs down for saying that. But I am unique in the way that I understand candlesticks. Okay. And I look for specifics in candlesticks in comparison to volume in order to determine whether or not it's time for me to enter the markets. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for. So far, I do not see it. And right now it appears, not guaranteed, that the current price level of the $2.41 appears as if it wants to get compromised to the downside, okay? And I do have an alternative level that I want to share with you guys. And I know some are saying, dude, you don't know what you're talking about. Now you're just throwing out levels. Well, not necessarily. There's actually levels to this. And I think there's a song that specifies that you have to get above specific levels, verify it as support. Get above the next level and verify it as support. If I could just kind of illustrate that in some sort of drawing. So let's just say it came down. Let's just say the price comes down and it finds that as resistance at about $2.41. As it bounces, the recent level that I just put on the chart here is going to be at about $2, okay? And then it actually breaks below the $2 level, and then it verifies it as resistance. So that's what I mean when I say it's levels to this, okay? When it breaks down specific levels and then it verifies it as resistance and it continues down, and then it just will continue the path to the downside, and vice versa. If it goes up to a level and it finds resistance and it goes back down and makes a higher low, it's likely it will break through that level and then it'll come down. So yeah, that's what I mean when I say it's levels to this, guys. So I'm not just throwing levels out there. The next level that it will likely come down to, and it'll probably break through that, guys. I'm not sure. Remember, I am focusing on the development of the candle as it reaches a specific level, in this case, the previous level of resistance. And if the market, or the candlestick rather, is showing me a sign of a reversal in conjunction with the volume, then and only then is when I determine my market entry at that level. That's how I'm able to buy the wicks, guys. Some people say buy the bottom. Guys, I buy the wick. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm able to enter these markets so strategically, okay? Excuse me. So that's what I'm waiting on. It's likely that the price, I don't see why it wouldn't bounce, to be honest with you. We're opening a new candle on January the 4th, 2021. So if there will be a bullish counter move to protect that $2.41 level, that's just fine, guys. That means that the buyers are stepping in and they're trying to protect this lower level down here at the Adam and Eve bottoming formation pattern that we discussed on our previous video. Hopefully we left a link for you guys to check that out at your own leisure. And that will be the next level, guys. As I mentioned, $2. It's kind of a range, I'll be honest with you. It's between, let me just do this because I hate to just keep throwing out price levels. Let me just put out a range so we'll just get it over with. And that way we won't have to update this for a while until if the price actually reaches this level. So let me just go ahead and put it at about $2. And it goes all the way down to about $1.80. So I'll just put that range there. That way this should hold us off for a while. Then again, it's not guaranteed to get this low, guys. I realize some of you probably entered this market and you're suffering some losses. Remember, it's not a loss until you sell at a lower price than where you bought it. Okay, so keep that in mind. And again, guys, don't do what I'm doing. I'm timing the bottom. Go ahead and scale in this stock. If you guys see there's a lot of fundamental value in this stock, so you see potential in the future, go ahead, guys, pull that trigger. And for me, but what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be keeping the powder dry, guys. As one of our commenters named Peter said, I'm going to go ahead and do that for now, and I will give you guys an update when I will be entering this market. Because keep in mind, even if the price, let's just say it does bounce from here, okay? Let's say it bounces from $2.41. I'll still have an opportunity to get in the market because I'll be paying attention to the candlesticks and how they're developing at the $2.41 level. It's likely that it will just kind of hang out near this level, close weekly candles above this level in preparation to turn this short-term rejection from the $3.05 level to push the price up to the upside. Okay, and that takes time. I'm not saying it's going to take like months, okay? Maybe it will take months, guys. I'm not sure. Again, let's close this out, guys. I'm waiting to see evidence in the chart or the candlestick to determine my market entry. Right now, it's getting close to a buy for me. I think some of you have already started scaling in, which is good, okay? Take that scale-in method and go ahead and execute your strategy, your market entry and exit strategy. I know I keep saying I sound like a broken record, guys, but it's important to have a strategy before you hit that buy button, guys. Unfortunately, I'm unable to offer you guys any financial advice whether or not it's time to buy. So when you guys ask me that, I cannot answer that for you guys. It's up to you and your portfolio. But this is the new level. If $2.41 is officially being compromised, the next level for me to pay attention to see how the candlesticks are developing to determine my market entry level will be this range down here at about $2 and all the way down to $1.80. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully this wasn't too long of a video. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. And also, guys, remember, check out the previous video. We went over an overview of everything, guys, so you'll know that whether or not it's in an uptrend or a downtrend. Check that video out. I'm sure we left a link somewhere. And but I wanted to make this as short of a video as possible, guys. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This was a beautiful call, guys. We didn't know if it was going to come down about 15% from that cut, the level where it was on the previous video, but it did, guys. So this is important. Be patient. I will give you guys an update. And you guys, thank you for letting me know when the price went down to that $2.56 level. So I'll keep you guys up to date and keep me up to date as the price develops here. Let's go ahead and leave an alert. So we're going to cut out here. Thank you for your time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.